Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Happy Easter. And to celebrate, I have 5 Easter eggs hidden in the Adobe Creative Cloud. Easter eggs are hidden features put in by the developers just for fun. So I have 3 from Photoshop, 1 from Premiere, 1 from After Effects, and a bonus one. Let's jump in and go find some Easter eggs. Okay, Easter egg number 1 up here. If you click on Photoshop, About Photoshop, you're going to get the credits for this version of Photoshop. However, if you hold the Command key, go back and do the same thing, holding the Command key, click on About. Now you're going to get the secret code name for this version of Photoshop. They called this White Lion, and this is the pre-release artwork that did not ship with the final version. So hold the Command key, then click on About, and you will get that secret code name. Easter egg number 2 is in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. We're going to go up to the Premiere Pro menu, choose About Premiere Pro. We're going to get the credit screen. If you look right here, you can see that this version of Premiere Pro is called Haberdasher. Well, this is kind of a boring screen. If we go back here and hold the Command key or the Shift key, it doesn't matter. Choose About now. Now you get this cool graphic here. And FYI, Haberdasher is the name of a bar in San Jose, California, which is where Adobe is located. Okay, now let's get some Easter brunch back in Photoshop CC with Easter egg number 3. We're going to go up to the Photoshop menu, choose Preferences, choose Interface. You can see here these color themes will allow you to change the interface of Photoshop. If you hold Shift and Option and click on one of those, boom, you get some toast. You can do some dark toast, light toast. You can go through all of these. If you hold the Shift Command key, now you're going to get some coffee. That's right, change these, they'll change the colors. Just go back at any time. You can click on these and it'll go back to the regular swatches. So that is how you get coffee and toast in Photoshop. Easter egg number 4. We're going to stay right here in Photoshop CC. We all know that the Easter Bunny loves bananas, right? Well, come over here to these 3 little dots in the side toolbar. Just press on this little down arrow, choose Edit Toolbar. This little window is going to open up. You don't have to do anything here. Just hold the Shift key though and press Done, and now you have a banana over on your side toolbar. Pretty cool, huh? And to get rid of the banana, just click the down arrow, click Edit Toolbar, hold the Option key, click Done, and you're back to normal. Easter egg number 5, the coolest of all, of course, has to be in Adobe After Effects. We're going to go up here to the After Effects menu, just like we did in Photoshop and Premiere. You're going to hold the Command key, but you're going to add the Option key, okay? So it's Command, Option, click on About After Effects. It's going to load up this composition. It might ask you to install the fonts, do so, but now you have this cool little credits based in Star Wars called Darth Tater. Very cool little Easter egg inside of Adobe After Effects. And because it's Easter, I have a bonus Easter egg for you in Adobe After Effects. Click on any layer that has effects. Go into the effects control, above all of the effects, hold the Shift key, and click on the text above the effects. Yeah. And that is what you get. My name is Mike Murphy. Happy Easter, everyone. Cheers.